Hi friends, it's been a while. I've been deep into work and also playing with some of the new tools out there. And today I want to share a Figma plugin that I made a couple months ago that's already saved me hours of time, and hopefully it will do the same for you. It's called Table Recreator, and I built it while experimenting with ways to bring more design system context into AI-powered Figma workflows. So what it does is simple. It lets you recreate a text-based table using your own design system components. So let's do a quick demo with the playground file. So here I already have some example table components, but you can obviously use yours instead. And so what we have here is a screenshot of a table that we want to recreate. This is just an image. Then we have an instance of our body table cell component, as well as an instance of a header table cell component. And the header cell is optional. Like if you have a table without the headers, you don't have to select this one. What we'll do from here is select all of our three elements, open the plugin, and click Recreate. And then in 5 to 20 seconds, depending on the complexity of your table, you should have your recreated table with your table cell components. A couple notes that I wanted to mention is the first thing is to properly crop your image to only have the area of the table before uploading it to Figma. Because if I were to do something like this, for example, this, and then place it in Figma, and then just crop it from here and run the plugin. So the plugin is actually still going to treat this whole original image as the input, and then it might just get confused and you'll get some unexpected behavior. And I'm sure this is something that I can fix on the plugin side, but I just haven't gotten to it. So yeah, just use the properly cropped image from the start. And the other thing that I wanted to mention is that you really don't have your screenshot does not have to resemble your design system components visually. It can be any table. For example, this table from Google Sheets, I should still be able to select my table components and then click Recreate and have it work. Okay, so this one took a little bit longer because there are more columns, more things to recreate, but yeah, here's our table. Next thing I wanted to mention is if this approach for building tables, like using one table cell component as a foundation, is new or unfamiliar to you, I do recommend you watch my older video on building tables, as it will clarify the principles for how these tables are built. And it is also closer to what actually happens in code. The last thing about the plugin is that because I use OpenAI API for text extraction, I do have to pay for that. And as a consequence, the plugin is also paid, but you do get 10 free tries before you have to pay. And then it's one-time $3 payment. That's all for today. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope even more that you find the plugin useful and that it also saves time for you. Before I go, one last shameless plug is that I decided to give X another try. Last time I had an X account was back when it was Twitter, 4 years ago. So if you want to be my second follower, I would really appreciate that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please send me an email if you spot any weird behavior with this plugin, and preferably include your input and your output, as it will help me hopefully get to the root cause of the issue. And yeah, again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.